Welcome to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply coconut oil to your hair, okay? Now, it is not just simply applying coconut oil directly to your hair. There is a simple step that you have to take before you apply the coconut oil in order for it to be effective. Otherwise, it will make it look like it didn't really work on your hair, okay, if you skip the step. So, the very first step that you want to do before applying coconut oil or any hair moisturizer is to spray your hair with water first, because it helps your hair to absorb the moisture from the coconut oil or any other hair moisturizer that you apply to your hair. I like to use coconut oil simply because it is the best natural hair detangler, and it is a go-to leave-in conditioner right after you wash your hair, okay? And you can also use it as an everyday hair moisturizer. So it is a multi-purpose type of oil, and that's why I love using coconut oil on my hair. Now, if you apply coconut oil directly to your hair without spraying your hair with water first, then it's going to make your hair look dry, maybe. Like it may still look dry, and it may not give it that moisture that your hair deserves, okay? And so, and it also may not give it the look that you're looking for. So, I am going to show you all how I apply the coconut oil to my hair. And as you can see, this is my last section, okay? So I usually part my hair in 4 sections. Sometimes I part it in 6 sections or 8 sections. But I'm doing a particular hairstyle, so my plan is to to rock a twist out with my hair to the side. So this hair is gonna show, all this hair is gonna show, and I'm gonna just simply slick it back and pin it up and just lay it to the side, okay? So, yeah, so I'm gonna spray my hair with water, and I'm just gonna leave my twist in overnight in order for it to have that beautiful twist out look in the morning. That is the perfect way to rock your twist outs. Leave your twist in overnight, then you will have a beautiful twist out. You can also leave it in for like a couple of hours and you can still have a beautiful twist out. But if you want your twist outs to last longer, then you want to leave it in overnight. Okay, just a few tips of how to take care of your natural hair. So as you can see, I simply have a spray water bottle, okay? Eventually, I'm going to graduate from just using tap water to using like aloe vera juice and making my own hairspray. I have made hairsprays before, and I do have a couple of tutorials of how to make hairsprays, but sometimes I don't have all of my ingredients at my disposal, so I simply just use water. But I'm going to start using the right ingredients on my hair to give my hair the best ingredients that it deserves. Most people use distilled water. If you want to use distilled water or purified water, if you have like a water filter, you can use that. But I'm simply just using tap water for right now until I get my other ingredients. So I'm going to spray your hair with water, and then you're going to, one of my twists just failed. So this is what it looks like in the back, by the way. And it is, let me twist the bottom. Also, another tip is to keep your ends tucked away from your shirt. If you have a shirt or a dress that is not silk or satin material, you kind of want to like move your twist out of the way, because your twist can easily start to unravel, and it can start to get frizzy very easily if you leave your twist down on your shoulders. I've noticed that, so I just kind of like tuck it up and just leave it alone, like tuck my twist away from my t-shirt or any cotton material. You definitely want to stay away from any cotton materials on your hair or around your hair, especially around your ends. You want to keep your ends moisturized because your ends can easily get dry. So you want to make sure that you keep your ends clipped, I would say every 2 to 3 months, and keep it away from your blouse as much as possible. Now, if you're wearing like a twist out and you want to rock your hairstyle all day, that's totally fine. But when you are in the process of producing the twist, you want to like keep your twist away and just like tuck it up and leave it pinned down overnight, and wrap it with a silk or satin wrap so that your hair can look fresh in the morning and you don't have to worry about starting all over again. Okay, so I hope that it doesn't sound too complicated, because it's really not that complicated. You just have to like know what to do when you are taking care of your hair and when you're styling your hair. So I'm going to apply my coconut oil. And I'm just going to work in my ends first and work my way to the top. I'm literally using like the last of my coconut oil from this bucket. I had to get a new bucket because I have completely used the entire bucket. You can use coconut oil on your skin as a skin moisturizer. If you want to use it as a lotion replacement, you can definitely use coconut oil for that. And coconut oil, if you've never used coconut oil before, coconut oil can look really thick when it's in a cooler temperature, but when it's in a warmer to hot temperature, it will go completely liquid. Okay, it will melt to a liquid texture. If you place it in the refrigerator, it'll go back to a solid texture. Okay, if you place it at room temperature, then it will have this texture right here, where it's kind of like in between. It's like a mixture of solid and liquid. Okay, it's like it looks like how can I even, like it looks like shaved ice or something when it's in room temperature. And so you want to keep it in room temperature. You don't want to leave it in the refrigerator all day, every day. If it's in a liquid texture, then you can place it into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour, and it will go back into the texture that you want it to be in. Okay, it'll go back to a solid texture, not a rock solid, but like a solid texture, just enough for you to use as a moisturizer and as a lotion. If you want to use it as a lotion replacement, you can also use it as a leave-in conditioner. So it is great for several things. Okay, you definitely want to keep that in your kitchen, keep it in your bathrooms, Yeah, coconut oil is one of the best oils to use for multi-purposes. And that's why I love it, okay? So, did I also mention, I did mention this, but I want to mention it again. Coconut oil is perfect for detangling your natural hair. If you are having a hard time detangling your hair, you want to use coconut oil as a natural hair detangler. Part it into 4 sections or 6 sections. Then you want to spray each section with water. So start with 1 section at a time, spray it with water, then apply the coconut oil. And then if you want to seal in that moisture, meaning you want to keep the moisture on your hair, then what I would recommend is to twist it, okay? So that's exactly what I'm about to do. I'm about to twist my hair. And I twist it to my scalp if I am intentionally trying to rock the twist out, okay? You want to twist it to your scalp so that when you take it down, you'll have the full look of the twist out at the top of your head. Because if you start at the bottom, then the twist out will form at the bottom, but then you'll have like a puffy look at the top. And unless you intentionally did that for whatever reason, I wouldn't do that, okay? I would twist it to my scalp so that I can get the full twist out look from top to bottom, okay? And then that's how you do it. And when you take your twist down, you're going to start at the bottom and work your way to the top, okay? So, I'm not gonna take my twist down tonight, but I have a few videos of me taking my twist down. And so if you look at natural hairstyle number 6, I have a series, a natural hairstyle series, and natural hairstyle number 6 is where I have rocked the twist out. So I believe you will see me untwisting my hair in that video. And so that just kind of gives you an idea of how to untwist your hair when you are rocking the twist outs, okay? So, yes, that is how you apply coconut oil to your natural hair. And yes, excuse me. So now I'm simply going to pin it down. The last thing you want to use is bobby pins. You want to use some bobby pins to pin your hair down when you are intentionally trying to rock the twist out, and leave it in overnight so that you will have a beautiful twist out in the morning. So I'm simply just taking my hair down and I'm just like pinning it up, and my twist does not want to cooperate with me right now. But let's just go ahead and take all of these down. Okay. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pin it down. I'm going to wrap it around my head so that I won't have any bent twists. Okay, because when you take your twist down, you don't want your twist to look crooked. You want it to look straight. What I mean by that is by, like, if you see your twist looking crooked like this, or if it looks like that, then that's because you haven't wrapped it around your head, you haven't pinned it down overnight. Because your twist can look any kind of way when you don't wrap it properly wrap it around your head and pin it down, okay? That's another tip. Okay, so now I am going to, okay, I need another bobby pin for this because it's not, okay. And then the last thing I would say is when you are taking your twist down and you feel like you're not fully satisfied of how it looks, sometimes you have to get a little creative into making the hairstyle to how you want it, okay? So if that means you have to, like, let's say you intentionally wanted your twist outs to, you know, go all the way down from this side and from this side. And let's say this side looked crooked. For whatever reason, this side did not want to look the way you wanted it to look. Then you would take this side and push it back, pin it up. Now you got the side twist out, and this twist out looks perfect. This side, you can't even tell because you pulled it back, okay, and you pinned it back, and nobody could tell that it was crooked, okay? That's an example of how to pivot. You sometimes you have to pivot if the hairstyle does not come out the way you want it to. But most of the time, if you take the proper steps into doing what you're supposed to do in each hairstyle, then you don't necessarily have to worry about that because your hairstyles will come out the way it's supposed to, especially if you moisturize it the right way and you wrap your hair up at night with the right materials, whether it's silk or satin, you will be completely fine, okay? I have 24 plus natural hairstyles that you can rock, and if you would like to get inspired of rocking different natural hairstyles, you can go to my playlist at the 24 Natural Hairstyles series on YouTube at My Natural Hair Delights, okay? So, thank you all for watching. I hope that this has been helpful for you all to take care of your natural hair. And coconut oil is an all natural ingredient, but there are different kinds of coconut oil. So what I would suggest is to make sure that you're using extra virgin, unrefined coconut oil, okay? I also have the Rosemary Delight coconut oil at my website at mynaturalhairdelight.com. If you want an extra hair growth booster, I have that available at my website, okay? So thank you all for watching. I will talk to you all again next week. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.